Wampaka age ka.
Anestizo kwakumele.
Okay.
Tata nonyana.
Yes, ijumelile.
Tata nonyana. But
Age is silent.
kuna age mara. Kuna age. Wow. Why nifaka age guys? Nituvutisa swona mina. Tata nonyana. La yana.
Okay.
Angani tu na Mhana yena vo tlela na ti Ben 10 mikhukhwini thembisa va ku hlamba ya Afrikaans like mother like daughter.
Okay, ntirhisa ku Gavaza ne loko a tsala hi street language ne
Yes.
a nga tsali hi ChatGPT language. What is this?
Twanane hi ku ya hi micato leyi n'we mi nga yi fambisa hinkwayo evuton'wini bya n'wina loyi a mu veka number mani
hinkwayo mina ku tsondziwa tigigi se manje
le i Shongani gang la i hlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumelisaka Gaza vumene vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga leyi i Shongani gang shangi
Nkarhi wun'wana na wun'wana lowu mi nga ta wu vona hi wona ha ma amukela eka special episode xa History.
Ostrin Vastrin
Oh, this street.
Yeah. Namutlha.
Look, ringeteng ku hlaya I screenshot lexiya.
Okay. Namutlha na madonono mambirhi. Rin'wanyani.
Oh, ngavuli dono.
Madonono
mabandi manharhu.
Donono rin'we a ri tshama endzhaku ka tikhamera se namuntlha ni swi tivi ku ri nyanyukeli yini nga ku namuntlha hi ta tenga ku ta va na ti-low suits ka episode leyiwani na swi twa ingaku swi nge chayi kahle
na ti-low suit ta chome na loyara sweswi
n'wina mi nga va tivi lavawani vo khoso wa kona
mina khosa
na 3 times graduate ya ka Shongani gang and Shongani gang ku nga an award winning podcast eka Matsonga Machangani not la celela kasi wa va nga nominatiwangi
Ya hariko ya celela
wa ya va nga nominatiwangi no vutisa ka cause
celela vona
celelekile
aya right hi kombe ku jika vuya hi tivi ku a wu nge tshiki podcasting so no hlama loko nga ha release
na ntirho hi nga n'wi nyika
kambe leya mina
na ntirho hi nga n'wi nyika
ku na xipot xintshwa no swo ku ni tshame kwihi la ku fanele ku ri na Gaza Bosha a ni swi tivi yo khoma swikwembu or I ringi liya ya n'wi tika
no u le ka meeting wa vo papa
tele ka meeting wa papa
o va tatana
a ni ku I ringi a ni loko jikisa steering
ya tika
mbo wa babysit
swa
endla
namutlha siya mena la sihleli vunanga ya la siya zondiwa la leswa swo a hi ku zondi hlela vunanga a swi tirhi la hi zondi
why Ibathu
singaqala
ni okay ma hi vela hi sungula hi ti graduate kuna graduate yin'wanyana yisuse emfilimfilu etempeleni ya Facebook ku nga advocate advocate man lava advocate
advocate man
advocate MF Baloy motherfucker Baloy
so yini
advocate va sungule ti-class ta ka Facebook to correcta vanhu lava nga ramba machudeni ma xikolo xa le hansi na xikolo xa le henhla ku va ta dyondza ririmi ra Xinghezi.
Se abet ya ka Facebook. Abet advocate yi sungule abet ya ka social media.
Va sungule abet ka
Abet ya ka social
Facebook.
media.
I camera milia
Yo ya wele.
pheni languta leyi a
Why
ni namangayi
Yeah, me. Right?
So advocate yi sungule xikolo xa abet xa ka social media. Nhlangana it's anyone ta yi tirhisa red. Nge yo maka so lo kha makelo wa xikolweni.
Kuna yin'wana
Va tlhela va sekela.
kuna yin'wana post ni nga yi vona a yi correcta Gavaza ne.
swi sungule kwalaho
Ni kombe ku yi hlaya ne.
hi ndlela leyi.
But hi ku ya hi mina ne. Loko ni hlayeli correction ya advocate. I feel like correction ya advocate yi wrong because advocate yi fiki yi tsandzeka ku twisisa context
Yeah.
ya Gavaza.
Okay.
Gavaza origin. Okay.
Kambe na mabandi manharhu. So we nga kwini.
You must use those kind of words.
Ne?
Context.
Literature.
Objective.
Yes, you must use those kind of
Vo
words.
commemorate.
What thesis?
What thesis and
All those words. You'll get them.
you'll
guess,
get
don't
them.
worry. This is Harvard referencing. Ne?
The same katlego lo correct ka xilungu ma rasela le.
So okay, Gavaza ne. Ikuya leswi I don't know ku ri a tsala hi timhaka ta
Yena na Mhana Shongani.
Shongani.
Yes.
Status xa Gavaza xi ri. You've been scary for the past 2 years. People were shocked about the way you were obsessed about my life, bro. Now it's my turn. I want to show you how bitter I can be. Literally waiting for one downfall. You will see how I will be celebrating. Mara for sure this is just a type. Net for attempting to get me fired at work. Otan boss. Ni mi vona ke mi joina forever voro. Kamana voro. Ndami banjani. Okay. Say yaga correction ya
Na advocate therefore.
You've been scared for the past 2 years. People were shocked about the way you were obsessed about my life, bro. Now it's my turn. I want to show you how bitter I can be. Literally waiting for one's downfall. Not for attempting to get me fired at work. This line it's just out.
Yes, because it's not for.
It's just out.
I right,
Yes, it's
yes.
just out. Yes, and then the Shongani nge slide. So I mean, the advocate ifiki itsandeka ku twisa context.
Yeah.
You've been scary. Hileswaku u vula ku a wu chava. Not ku ri a wu chava, a wu chavisa. You've been scary. A wu chavisa
So kahle
for the
kahle
past 2 years.
rito ro kota ku fita la.
It's scary.
Ai scary. Loko ri ku munhu a chavisa maybe horrifying or no man.
I mean, I feel
No,
like,
but
I feel
context
like
Gavaza
are
right.
scary.
Yes, a chavisa. Behavior ya yena for the past 2 years a chavisa.
Because la ta sveka hi level ya
Oh, hi level ya Harvard.
ya vuloyara. Ya advocate.
Oh.
Ya so munhu ari honorable nyana so.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, se au chavisa. Scary phela, rito scary. Scary movie. Mantwisanyana you are
Mara at the end of the day,
you were not looking well. Mantwisanyana like
what else fana na
Waka kuna ngoswa mebak fana advocate.
swinibi ko va loko munhu anga nanguseki kahle ne a hi nge vuli ku you are scary. Mantwisanyana loko ku ri ku a ngoheni a wu nanguseki kahle. You are not scary. And na leri nga tirhisiwa advocate hi rona. He was not referring to scared.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Loko what I terrified loko u chava.
Loko chava.
Mavo loko mi ri njhani?
You can say you've been terrifying.
I'm being
Yes, you've been terrifying.
I'm being.
Oh yes, you're right.
Yeah, terrifying.
Terrifying.
Terrifying. Even antwanga mi ri terrifying.
Yes,
You've been terrifying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so marito lama mambirhi vumbirhi ka wona loko ku ri ku a vula ku munhu loyi a nga ri kahle a nghoheni or ka swin'wanyana a ri fit ku hi va ku hi ri scared or scary.
Okay. So the next one, literally waiting for one downfall. Every advocate if like one's downfall. It could twist the context ya Gavaza. Ne? She's saying lo email kangwe ntsena, just one. Kuru wena u wa hansi. Then I attack. Loko uza ofika ku one's downfall. Now ya huma ka context anga vuli luya. So it's wrong. The correction is wrong. Number 3.
Okay, mi ndale ka one downfall ne. A vula ku Mhana Shongani a yimele ku yena awa.
Yena Gavaza u yimeli Mhana Shongani ku awa. Then she can attack.
I've been waiting for
one. For one. I'm just waiting for one
downfall. You see how
Yes.
I'll be celebrating.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. So a yimele ku yena ka awa. So kahle kahle ku ile.
Hayi ku ayimerini. Ulo
email. I'm waiting for you to flop.
Yes.
Oh, okay. No, you make a sense.
If ku va na yin'wana mi voneni leyin'wana ti two phela va correct
La ku hlanele ho hetelela.
Yes.
Kuna number 3 kuna correction number 3.
Bebe.
Yeah.
U komi 3 marks.
Net for attempting to get me fired at work.
Oh yeah, na liya ni vonini ayibona liya.
So Bariman, advocate if you tsala not. If you get under ku context still.
Kun lo yimela ku
Net nje.
Net nje.
Oh, kuri u
yimela. Bari va switana explain.
Uzamini ku. Oh. Oh, it's a kasi
slang.
so tital.
Kasi slang.
No, so tital liya so
Leswo kata ko u yimelini ku net nje.
Net nje.
Net ku yimeli ku something xi humelela.
No. Ndrisa ku MS David Salamson woko. Okay, ndrisa ku Gavaza ne loko a tsala hi street language ne.
Yes.
Anga tsali hi ChatGPT language. What is this? So advocate ne ingai ka
ChatGPT.
You give me a better line. A better line. Maybe I alongisa ne. What is this? There's no way I could advocate ne ka his everyday life ne. I want this good net nje. There's no way. Yeah.
So allegedly Shinanda advocate he take ChatGPT ku please simplify this English.
Are you right?
Then yinyika English.
Landela mta ihlaya kumbe nirelana.
Ungayihlaya leyo mbili.
Ebe kuba na mbirani cause. The least she could have done is to acknowledge that you both hate each other.
La Gavaza nga na upina.
No, guys.
Listen,
No, guys. No.
The least she could have done is to acknowledge that you both hate each other. Love or wrong?
No, I'm wrong.
I'm more wrong, I'm more wrong ne. Munhu ka kwatile leswi a swi vulaka.
Ya vele.
No, but like you ne ayembi.
Yeah, like you la
we both hate each other because
At the end of the day, who send that the message across? Anga sendi spelling, kuna autocorrect la.
Wait, guys.
I email 3 times graduate.
3 times graduate if I'm like wait. Okay, if komashani mina anisikho ukuhlaya. Hlaya wina.
Wait. The least she could have done is to acknowledge.
Oh, and then my family konga family wila. Ana ma
Munhu lo akwatile nga ri ku
Okay. The least she could have done is to acknowledge that both. Wait. Okay. The least she could have done is to acknowledge that you both hate each other. Okay.
3 times
Oh yeah. It's in the third person.
Mina loko ni hlaya. Twisisa ku there's a third person involved.
Yeah. I wanna dyondza English.
There's a third person involved got this issue. I'm Mhana Shongani ntsena. There's another person involved. Lava a va ri ku hetaneni hi ku ya hi Gavaza.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
A va ri ku hetaneni.
So ndanga se vo hetana
Yeah.
vanhu.
A va ri ku hetaneni hi ku ya hi Gavaza ne. I might be wrong, but that's how I understand it. Ku ri ku na munhu
Silo se
un'wanyana.
mi hlaya slow nyana ne.
Yes.
Ni swi kuna munhu wa vunharhu la.
Yeah.
She was typing on a baswitana ku type on a third person perspective.
And then loko wo follower, though I mean ani swi landzeleli ngopfu, but if you can follow where it comes from, obviously there's a third person.
Yeah, va kona.
And not-
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Ukona munhu wa vunharhu.
Yes.
No, yeah. Okay, ivi ke va relela ni. Playing the victim card won't work. She called my mother a witch. That's worse than what she mentioned there. How? Angani tu. Na mana yena vo tlela na ti Ben 10 mi khukhwini Thembisa. Vaku hlamba ya Afrikaans like mother like daughter. So ivi se hita eka ndzulamiso. Phela mi nga rivali ku nkoka wa ndzulamiso.
Wena ka bonda Xitsonga. Ndzulamiso a ni rivele ndzulamiso. Ndzulamiso wa 1.
Se moni la nto ninge lehisi nto hlaya marito lama nga ndzulamisiwa hi mdyondzisi advocate Tefo Baloyi. Swa Tefo.
Nga valali Tefo.
Ka the list
What?
very what ani swi tiku hinge ku hi what. Ka cold very afena tsalo ku shoot. Laya ni swi twisisi ku number 5 ya vona la
was.
ka is
Was.
afena tsalo ku was. And then ka you be afena tsalo ku we. Ani
Ni kombe ku ihlaya hi ku ya advocate.
yi hlayeni.
The least what she should have done was to acknowledge that we both had each other. Eh? Ile ni nga ihlaya.
Ihlayini.
Ihlayini.
Bari-
The least hi ku ya hi mina leswi va nga hi correcta swona. The least what she could what she should have done was to acknowledge that we both had each other.
So yona yi cince this context ne.
Yi yisa ka past tense.
I Gavaza a vulavula ku swilo leswiwa. A byela ku Mhana Shongani.
Yes.
This is
Yi tsandze ku
Mara
twisisa ku
Gavaza u tsale this thing not from her. Swi huma ka yena but on a third person's perspective.
Yes.
Ku the least she could have. Let's look at the least.
Yimani mhla kuna leyi yi nga swi hlamusela kahle ni
kuna ti-corrections.
Oh, you got the maraka guys. Advocate Baloyi na.
Number 1 yiri yi fela yuku you've been scared. The key lies is understanding the context. If you are describing a personal experience or emotion, use scared. Number 2, yi fela yuku once
It's a
is a possessive form showing that something belongs to one person.
Wait.
One
Mhana
ya S. Ya hiko.
Yes.
Even
Number 3, yi fene yi va not. Wa vona net yi le ka physics na accounting. Va net force. Na vona
se advocate
income.
like
Physics Mhana Shongani.
life umbrella.
You got physics Mhana Shongani.
Baloyi. Ku correcta hi swona ne.
Yes.
Mara allegedly I kombe ku mi nga teki swilo leswi cheka GPT.
And also,
Mi swi hlaya mi swi twisisa.
like we correct kuna yin'wana nga yi correct ya gagasha ni yona yi ya correcta spelling that's why ku nga ku yi hoxa ka ChatGPT kuna leswiya swa ku swa ku abbreviate abo what are you doing loku wood manto se sweswiya se na leswi Gagaja still se swona la ka statement lexi xo never judge a person's future based on where they are now o tsale now liya ya NWA ivi ka persons e commonisini se la ya NWA hileswo swa ku na vanhu va ku type
Liana
Yeah, man, yeah.
ya Gagashi
And even
NAW why tsanda ku replace I o la ya ala ni mina yona la
o tsale Shongani now na tabula swo ku na vanhu va type
kambe xivongo xa Gagashi man
Nonyani
tata Nonyani ana ngumtsi
no, man.
ay Nonyani ka misala na vanhu fane mu nga address as tatana tata
Where they are
Nonyani
now. Oh.
tata Nonyani Nonyani yes
tatana
Nonyani
Wampaka age,
ani
guys.
swi tivi wa kumele ani swi tivi wa kumele
Okay.
tata Nonyani
yes ijumeline
tata Nonyani fane
Age is silent.
kuna age mar kuna age kwawa why ni faka age guys
Nonyani
ti vutisa swona mina tata Nonyani la yane mitsika ne
Okay.
ngayi addressing ke
okay kuna mindzulamiso yo talanyana ha hinda lewana hi kombela le mta nhlambula
Okay,
n'wina
yeah.
vadyondzeki va ri ya
Ama nga
suku
advocate
ya
ka
suku
page ra advocate.
ya suku
Sene machava kula kwala makini sa uhleka rohane bitini unga makini ujoku yini swini
okay mona hlami ndzulamiso ani ka suku mavunda u tsale ku I think at this point anyone who wants to clarify if I am an alumni, they should just call to Social South. Not in tiny.
Yeah, man,
Alumni. Shiri, ngomga graduate.
Alumni.
Alumni. Oh, Illuminati.
yeah
And as a graduate, I'll stay. So, ba
Correcta man la.
correcta suku mani ndinga Gagashi.
ui
Ilewa.
suku xa mafakeni
Hayi. Suku swa Big Brother. Suku
oh
swa
suku xa ma big brother veri kumela suku xa ma big brother
Okay, Ore, I think at this point, anyone who wants clarity,
Yes.
if I'm an okay. If I'm an alumni, they should just call TUT Soch South.
Yes. Hlaya nomzulamiso kwalano ya red. Yes. Yes.
I'm N.
I think at this point anyone who wants to clarify if I'm
N.
N. Huh?
an alumni I'm an alumni so
Oh,
You
if I
go
did.
na N. Yes.
Okay, so
I
advocate.
am Milanwane
It can still work.
can work both ne?
Yeah.
Oh okay they should just call TUT Soch
Ngome mhlami nzulamiso kwalano.
So Nzulamisiri, alumna, female graduate, alumnus, male graduate, alumni, a group of graduates.
graduate
La yung bin la.
Yibe man.
Nula yensu.
Oh.
no but I trying
Okay.
I check in la ne ka lewan she can still be right tatan ka le alumni matter why she's part of the graduate mga share joke ne masha yo sende misalo sile so mala so
Ungayitwisisi wesheshe. I'm not byela ungayitwisisi. La mihlayiwa. Hey, tangisa makeni. Yona.
Bonbon. Nge swi vulavuli,
Hi nga swi vuli.
loko no swi vona ku ta nghenisa timhakeni nge
Oh, u nga vula mi swo ka swi nga ku nghenisi.
swo
Wa
ina
twisisa mara?
a wu yi twisisi
Macatin.
n'wi sende paragraph u tlho a toucha na xinepe loko heta sweswo
Yes. Hey
maxava mara wa nga
Yes, mava ni vone a na ku hlaya na
and then
caption ya movha.
and then u hlaya swilo leswi nga tsariwa laha hlaya leswi u swi hlaya the way u swi hlayisaka swo masiku hinkwawo
ange yi twisisi
swi type mi n'wi
Swi
kombela
na ti-graduate.
okay a hi vuyeleni ka liya so
Oh,
so ku ne a nga ri wrong because
U wela eka
she's
ntlawa wa
group
ti-graduates.
of graduates
Yes.
ya le TUT so na yona advocate nga ta za ya advocate se u swi vonile kana jajeri ti-jeb swa ta hina na ti ri ni online wa hisekeriwa ne na mina hisekeriwa after ni vone swilo leswiya
Maxava namuntlha ne.
maxava we analyze swilo swin'wana loko tshami kwa ay swa ni hisekerisa swilo okay a tlheleleni makete so advocate lane I think yi fane se correcta swilo hi nani
Yona.
yeah
Okay.
never judge a person's future based on where they are now liya ya
No,
now
leswi hi ndi ne. Yo pfala ya ti-correction.
ya pfala ti-correction
Ya Tinyiko essentials ne. Tinyiko essentials u fike tsala a tsala ku as after I successfully win the who's driving argument and secure my spot in the passenger seat first. Ivi va vuya mudyondzisi va ku as after I successfully won the who's driving argument and secured my spot in the passenger princess seat first. Se la va veki in past tense. Sula ku afena a tsali hi past tense.
Kombe ku yi vona. A ni ti voni ti post tin'wana ta.
na mani voni leyiwani
Loko ni ri ku hlayeni na munghani twa.
Kumbe hi mhaka hi follow-ana.
Nto xirhami.
Kumbe
Mi ba
xana.
n'wana joke ne. Ni ta kufumela. Yo.
so why page ra advocate nga ri ntshwa musi
Hayi ra khale.
Rakha.
why ri nga ri na nchumu kumbe mhaka hi follow-ana
Kumbexana.
swene
No, and
maxava
some of the post kumbexana va nga va seti ku ti voniwa hi.
hi lama
Mara yona
follow
mara wona la ka won yi right.
Yeah.
La ka won yi right.
Na secured.
Na secured yes yi
Yes.
right.
Kwala no edini.
A nga kwatanga loyi.
Tinyiko.
lo tsakini lo
Na
u
essential u tsakela mjado wa 10 million.
million.
A hi
Naira.
ku currency i yini? A hi swi ku currency i
Guys,
yini?
let's be honest.
allegedly a hi swi tivi ku
Let's be honest.
No, but we don't know the currency, Anger.
Let's be honest.
No, I think maybe u yi vuleni kwa I did
a ni langusangi mina
mina ni yo vona short clip leyi nga le ka
ni vone
TikTok.
ti-comments va kha va vutisa ku hi rent or hi naira
Nigeria.
se ni teka
I
kumbexana
Naira.
Guys,
So
let's
yini
be honest. Guys, I have been honest. Guys, let's just be honest. And let's just be honest. Do you think what is it 10 million rand?
yona ne DJ ku ya
Just be honest.
twana ne DJ ne 10 million hi ku ya hi mina mavone ma mina lama mavone ma munhu un'wana ni twa nga ri u te 10 million a nga vuli currency
Hi leswi hi vulaka
nga
so.
kuma 10 million naira and twanani yin'wana micato nga costa 10 million depending ku wena munhu wa njhani ntwisanyana na rent nga costa hi mhaka ku ku na timhaka ta ti-ring you choose ku la ring ya costa mali muni ntwisanyana
Okay.
ku na timhaka ta ku u lava ti-supplier wa choose ku la supplier yo fika kwini
Na
You
mi
can
twa
get-
sweswo
you
swi
can
make
get-
sense
you can
leswi
get a
va swi
ring.
vulaka, ne?
ya 6
Mara-
million ntwisanyana u nga yi kuma ring ya 6
Mara okay, loko se hi ya hi kwa twanani shapo i ring I cost 6 million i ri 1 it's okay ne and va gane ti cost.
Mina xo xi
Mara mcato luwa hinkwawo including catering na ti supplies na yini.
Eh.
Anthem ku wa dya na 2 million.
xilipi xa 6 million mina xo
No, when you get example.
Look, I will like 10 million. I'll make it sleep.
No, guys.
Then it's a verify.
Guys, I seems.
Loko graduate za hluvula mandlazi. Aya swivoni kahle asipasi sweswo.
Then mommy, I will like 10 million.
Guys,
You know, like time by sleep.
okay, na question ya one. Na question ya one. Look, avula swileswi. Was her husband there or ashu?
No, akuri ka pod aba interview wa yena Ibathu mjatu wa yena so
Aku interview woman.
Tinyiko.
Imali.
No, I cash essentials. No, I cash.
Aku
Mita dlaisa kutenga sika sina boy.
utatenga uri one.
No lere na rona mara as boy leswiwani. I essentials. And essentials not vocal chongi va live travel.
Okay, so DJ
Kumela advocate balo correct
You correct that the currency.
Bon. Nlata twisisa ku ka that podcast I interview a man Tinyiko.
Mhana van'wana ni va tivi.
Imi man la. Wale bale kuin man la.
Va kwa South Africa.
nga va kwa South Africa mara nga ri I'm Valava kwala ni va vonini I didn't spend time on yes.
So, but okay, before mpanda nhloko vo n'wina.
No, unlike panda show. Unlike twist. Wait. Unlike ringeta ku twisisa ku. Was she talking to a South African person?
Yes.
Or a Nigerian person?
A South African person.
Yes. Yeah.
South African person.
So
wale South Africa. That the host.
But remember.
The host until host
Remember.
that I want. Wale South Africa.
Remember. Yeah, na nuno wa yena. Vafane va covera Nigeria na South Africa.
Yes.
So mina, ikuya mina cause I don't believe kuri Tinyiko angateka 10 million I spend for mjado. Let's just Tinyiko essential.
Tinyiko, you don't believe that?
10 million emfo.
No guys,
10 million rand.
xin'wana lexi DJ ku hi komisa mhaka leyi ani. Clip liya loko yi vuriwa aku vuloloya wa host aku hi byeli hi mucato wa wena lowu nga costa 10 million. Ivi na yena ku 10 million ka reaction liya wa vula swa tikomba ku host o n'wi vungunya.
Oh.
Sama swa ku that's what.
Mina
Wanga vulankana.
I can't go mane mjela mu ku ho. Ni ku mane mjela mu ku ho.
Mina I thought she boldly
And no tshami ndhawu ya wrong. Why hi teka slide, hi teka Russian hi veka henhla ka slide.
Lo ma ku bodli kwalano. The interviewer very boldly.
Saman la.
Why?
Leswi nga tshama sweswo.
Oh, asna.
That's why nga ngutwe. Cheli teka paloni veka henhla.
Yeah.
This is right.
Look at bread we know this is loves also.
Okay.
Mshoko sinamtha khomela yini?
Very boldly owami.
Yes.
So owami swa kwa kaya so. Yeah, so swa kwa kaya.
Okay, I hume ka mjado.
Owami
Loko
umXhosa,
10 million. Yeah.
No, mara loko kanteko I clarify ya twisiseka because iku ola tavula ku ivele mjado lowa was top notch.
Yeah.
Nonyana aringeta kula sweswo ku.
Na swilo kuna yanga fambe mjado loko za ku low top notch mara no. No, ansechana. No. No, ansechata.
Fired.
Gaza bosha se uma mara. Loko swo gaza bosha ne. Wasubona ku so I find ku 10 million.
No, bisa minga rivari ku mjato wa Tinyiko ku nghenela mhaka ta tipfula mara bisa na loko nga va na tipfula ni a u nga ta wela ni xona le ka top 5 ya mjato leyi ya va magaza va nga jata yona la ka ku sukusela hi Sunguti ku ta fika n'hweti lewa.
Se loko na pfula ku ti.
A hi swona ni nga fone JB ne. Ni vutisa ku ka mjato leyi yona George ni nga fone JB ni ka mjato leyi nga hi fambisa ne. Wa Tinyiko a u ri number man. Mani phone. Pana mkhambala swin'wana.
Yena ta hlamula hi ku wa dungu hi egosi soup.
Twi.
Okay. Okay.
Valavula swin'wana ya hari.
Iwe nga khoma titambo.
Nta distracted.
Oda distract ka JB.
No ku
Just JB.
Hey,
Mpfukeni.
uke ngopfu n'wina ke.
Hayi tele ngopfu. Live neka podcast. Kodwa ile ka nje kanjekisana on'wana la. post liya mi nga yi vona ya Tinyiko ne I think kuna clip nga homa a vutisiwa ku mcato lowa 10 million la ku mvutisa question yin'wana ya very controversial.
Okay.
Mi live.
Okay.
Twanani hi ku ya hi mcato leyi n'we mi nga yi fambisa hinkwayo a vuton'wini bya n'wina loya mu veka number man.
Hinkwayo. Mina kutsondziwa tigigi se manje.
Ka top 10 ke top 10 mi nga vuli ku wa mani mo faka number.
Penicom passport ifana ya Nigeria. Ndaba bias.
Angalamba bias. Okay.
It's fine.
Mere?
Ndawukhathe korasa ka traditional wedding lo ya.
Yeah.
It's top man.
Ne? Even ubeka number 1.
Okay.
Why na? Here's my reason. It was a true traditional wedding.
Okay.
Yeah, even though our tradition ya hala ka vanwanuna. Mara in terms of because it was a true traditional wedding, I wouldn't like tradition, like I follow what tradition I follow in that sense.
Oh, okay.
In that sense, yeah, I put it number 1 because
it won't make sense.
That's when I experienced a bit of a traditional wedding. I mixing a bit of a traditional wedding, but mostly because a Bali tradition.
Yeah.
But not necessarily program I remember palm ceremony, you know those things.
Yeah.
So I'll categorize it number 1 in that sense, and obviously because it was 2 cultures, which one of them is outside of the country.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. No, it make sense.
So I'll put it number 1.
It make sense. It make sense.
Yeah.
Mara 10 million yo na mai mi mana yo.
10 million. Ni mana yona mako mina I think I charge 70,000 so ni kuma so ndaka so notanga no 10 million I think lo you know you are in a media space. In the media space you must put something that is catchy.
Oh, okay, so make sense.
You know the headline must be catchy.
Oh, so it clickbait kahle kahle. It clickbait.
Yeah. Exactly. Now you've put it in language here. That's
Oh.
what was happening. So it was not 10 million. I think when you listen to the podcast itself,
yeah,
you will find out why was that 10 million. Wala yeah.
Oh, okay. Mana inangisa ngofu. Ni stresses kwala ka ku singa kha sifambela na clickbait.
Exactly.
All right. Nkeze JB. Itambosi ku rin'wana.
Kwala vangete vatava biased. Ansana sa ikumeki.
No, mina ngikumeka.
Okay, I jumpele ka tin'wana.
Leswi va swi vulaka hi swona. A Nigeria. Swona hi top 1.
I jumpele n'wanyana.
Oh, ya kun'wana. Okay. Hi kha hi famba hi ndlela yaleyo kwala erivaleni ra vuhaxi ra Shongani gang.
Why valala nga ri?
Nga ku ka radio.
Wala para check. Principal.
Deputy.
Sorry, principal.
Meta vo hi correctile va ku vice va vula ku muna deputy la wan satana atambi nchumu.
Swi nga ndlana iveta yi sungula ku koreketa advocate episode leyi.
Kuna ti donation tinga kona ni vuleta pastor donation ni vula ti donation to humesa mali. A xigazeni ka donatiwa left and right and center ka donatiwa left and right and center ka donatiwa yo sungula imkosi ne. I feel like somewhere somehow saying aku se xiendla ngopfu man. Xiendla ngopfu leswa swo nga ku a hi xikolokolo mara se swi huma hi nga ku xikolokolo a hi donateni ku munhu loyi a n'wi tiva.
Leswiya swa 1 month ne.
So swa fail. Swa ti donation tin'wana swa fail and sweswi ni vona va ku donatiwa futhi ku donatelwa la vendor.
Food.
Loko a huma sungula business.
Guys.
Okay, let's okay. Mashava, let's na kombe donation la ku upgrade that camera.
Guys,
okombela.
Okay, mina kombe ku comment ale.
Yes.
Mina kombe ku comment. Okay. I feel like we are misusing vanhu vaka hina va Machangana. Ni nga vula leswi na ku swi veka hi ndlela leyi. Yes, people donated ku ri a kota ku kuma ku pfuneka. How sure are you ku ri loko a huma u la ku endla business? Why can't you say, okay, a hi n'wi doneteleni a ya endla maybe certificate ya so ku ri a ta kota ku kuma ntirho, or ku huma un'wanyana, why can't we go and search hi n'wi searchela ku ri okay loko a huma for her not to go back to whatever leswi a swi endla, a vuya a kuma ntirho lowu nga ta fika wu continue na yena a kota ku sustain vutomi bya yena.
Yeah,
Okay.
true.
U understand?
nda differa na n'we nda vuya ka we ka teko.
But business,
Nda vuya.
ni murhangeri la
Okay, so
na lead wo mina na angula
okay,
Yes.
when angula ke.
wo ni rhanga ni murhangeri la
Nta heta.
okay mi yimisa mavoko
Korokoro.
sweswo hi swona ende ku na un'wana na un'wana a nga tsala ni rivele ku i mani va ngo hi ku vhele khale na khala ku ri munhu loyi a nga le ka music industry why ku nga a nga vheli a hoxiwa eka vunanga bya ma 2K not ma 2K mara ni vula ku kumbexani a sungula risimunyana ra xigaza a endleriwa risimu ra xigaza leri nga ta n'wi kumela ti-bookings cause already a ri na tona tinsimu ta khale a nga performa na tona tetiya
a ku ri dream ya yena liya.
va pusha norho luwa wu ya mahlweni ani se mina lexi a ni ta lavaku ku doneteliwa xona a ku ri switirhisiwa swa yena leswiya swa khale ku na mina kombela va doneteli mina ni ta swi tirhisa angula
Se munhu u pfukile milorho n'we mi tlhelela na mi ya lova.
Ma yi twisisa
Tlhela milorho yenu.
Madama lexi angulo wa ku loyiwa. Okay. When angulo wa mina ne loko na rito rintshwa angulo wa mina i ku nta differanya na n'wina ku tlherisa munhu. Yes, school is very important.
Yes.
Xi na nkoka swinene.
Na swi
But ka this day and age leyi nga le ka yona ne ku ya xikolweni doesn't mean you are secured for a job.
Exactly.
Twisanyana.
But
Na hata.
Na mfaka but.
Na hata.
ya laveka
Ku ya xikolweni it doesn't mean ku you are secured for a job. Kuna thousands and thousands of graduates
Yes.
vo tshama na certificate.
Yes.
Who at the end of the day might disturb bangwe kwaleyo. Who at the end of the day ne
u nga yimisi voko wa ni pfala camera
who at the end of the day va tlhela ku va resulta to business. So hi ku ya hi mina personally a ni ta ku donation loko ku ri ku ya endliwa ne ku nga vi donation ya ku hi n'wi yisa xikolweni or anything like that ne ni vuya ka leyi nga ndle kahle u nga rhango angula because it ties up to what I wanted to say ku why hi nga n'wi doneteli mali and hi supporta
Dream
liya a na yona mantwisanyana ya ku ya swa vuyimbeleri. If we are doing equipment hi ku hi n'wi endlela equipment loko ri ku munhu wo kota ku wa swi kota no ti recordela loko ri ku i timhaka to I don't know man hi n'wi donetela ku mara swo fambisana business
swa pasa kumbe swa feyila
swa donation ne
Swa feyila swi.
leswi swa last month ne
Ni komba ku
swa donation
komba
swa
ku comment,
feyila
Okay.
karele the streets of Amuza are closed now.
Okay. Okay.
Broke.
Okay, wait.
kombela ku
Manyana.
na ku doneta mavonelo
Doneta ni mavonelo.
Mavonelo he past.
doneta donation
Bon. Because I think we are taking decisions without thinking the advantages, not the disadvantages. One to says, yeah, business. I will only support it if una dream your business and what kind of a business. Remember, you can't say you want to donate for a business, but I'm not Steve Nakula going business, right? You need to understand business le alava kui and like
Business plan, yes.
Business plan. Okay, that one iveka side. Come music. You want to donate for her. Kure aya endla music. How sure are you? How sure are you? kuri loko mi n'wi donetela ka music wolowo.
Aye, Jojo?
Oh, you're not the visitor. Okay, how sure are you? Ne?
I don't know. Minjani? Ikona, why ngambona ngikhaya? Mfana mdaleni. Yes.
How sure are you? Ne? How sure are you kuri loko avuya mi n'wi faka ka music wolowo, she will do better? You are not sure. You don't even know kuri that song leya nga ta fika yi endla, it will blow up. You don't even know kuri loko afika endla ngoma yaleyo ta kuma ti bookings. Because now we're talking about the promoters leti ti choosaka kuri ti lava mani. And some of the people lava hingo the promoters that it's one of the people lava anga tshama avana avatlulana mlenge na yena. You understand?
Yeah.
And you don't even know kuri ba committee grudges kufika kwini. Mina hi kuya hi mina.
Yeah.
I would say there's a lot of business people
Yeah.
or people who have companies.
Yeah.
Kagaza. One twist is Kagaza.
When I'm on saying
Kagaza, ne? Let's ask those people to give her a job. Look, avuya go. So that vutom bya yena kota ku ya mahlweni. Timhaka ta business u ta ti vona yena hi yexe loko a yi lava business ya vutomi bya yena.
ambone matalo ni mina nguseni ngoma tetlo manaka.
Yeah.
So xin'wana xi nga endlekaka ne?
Mashava.
Xin'wana xi nga endlekaka, what if leswi mi lava ku n'wi tlherisela ka swona swi nga n'wi fikisalanga kona muntlha?
Exactly.
Exactly. Because my tiva ku industry njani.
You know the industry, you know the music
that's
industry.
That's music. Una the traumas.
You know the
exactly. So not ngithirisela kwala munhu hetini kulora munhu mi tlhela
Not safe.
Let me tell you, industry ya music for Gavaza is very dangerous. Munhu wo fana na yena Lavender. Let's just be honest. Lavender look unglangutile ne. Any man can take advantage of her.
Yes.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Any man can take advantage of her. You understand? I've been in a gig in Lavender. I saw how guys react. One piece is attending gig. There was this event in Azani attended. All black. I was playing there. No.
I DJ.
Mina she came to me loko ni heta ku tlanga alava ku tlangeriwa music wa yena. Understand?
I'll look perform Jolo.
Right, he's right.
Yes.
I know perform Jolo.
Ana ku heta ku tlanga that day George.
Ananga tankel vel momo sa ku fana ku perform Jolo.
Ana ku heta ku tlanga that day. So you understand. So if you want to take her back to music industry, you are actually putting her back to swileswi swi nga nghenisa ka swileswi nga nghena ka swona. Cause ka industry music industry tavuya when it comes to women. Tavuya
ka vasati ka music industry.
Na le ka Gaza ti vuya ngopfu. Ungati hey swin'wanyana leswa ti artist leswi nga koka ka Gaza sweswi. They are trying to do whatever they want to do this guy.
And then oh.
I 100% sure.
Ekhanye phela loyo.
Ngulombe madlazi.
No, voice. Oh, hi darling.
Oh, I'm fane mtikhale.
Andingasho awutothanda hambi imali lo ngijela kusho andikumboneni like le repair best at matihlweni hambi George andingiboni.
Oh, hey posh.
Oh wow. Munhu loyi ngibona ku layana ni mara ngibona xikanda. I David maka ngibala xisha white mara xikanda nimvoni.
Ngavoni. Okay, back to square one. Industry ya music, you are right. It's very dangerous ka vasati. Kuna vu mbundlusi na vumbundlusani loko swi fika vasatini because inhlangano na un'wana ne I think 2 weeks back or a week back it's even difficult to get bookings.
Yes.
I manager mundu. It's difficult to get bookings for my artist because van mutsa ku mina nta vanyika yi.
You know if you are a manager ne ya n'wasati. It's either you take a fall ambi swo swi ni swi vulaka.
So
a fall is cause.
It's
Ulakuta lwangu. Ufa wa ihlana. Ufa wa ihlana.
It's either you take a fall for artist aware or your artist don't
must
get
take
bookings.
a fall.
Or your yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Ne? Oh yeah.
Mama nkambe.
Mama, rest in peace, Mama.
Mama Cindy.
Mama Cindy na yeshibuli.
Okay.
So it's very dangerous, guys. So vavasati vele ngozini.
Ne?
If she took a fall,
I'm one course.
We're trying to make a video, music video. So some people had to sponsor us. Yo, stick and go.
Abam butisangu amla kuwa course.
Because nikubejela hambi kuri ku ulava ku ngoma yawe yi tlangiwa ka radio.
Fane wa course.
There's one person ka radio anga take a fall.
Allegedly.
Clarify mic. When you get mic. When you get mic, I'll clarify mic.
Tana ne ko wala xikala vitso swane. Ani vula timhaka ta leswaku.
Xikala vito we Jojo.
Okay, ani ko loko ni vula vito leriyane ano la ku leswi ma swona DJ ne vanhu va twisa ku mbula timhaka ta yena mu ku na le ka radio if you want your songs to be played if ane kuma
Either you pay or indliwa leswiya.
mabona so lo mu ka radio ne ani la ku vanhu va ta ku va in which perspective lo no nga lo on la so engene vole ku man vole ku be remande xia ana nivole any name mara lero ringa ringa sa rin fikela mabo ani vole ku
So to say ka mina na Rose.
ani vole ku pela yena enda so no kombisa
Ngata komsa maphorisa.
no na radio yes
Ayita hlamba mavoko advocate maluleke la guys mina leswi ni nga swi yime.
no leswi asla na maloya
All right.
Evi kuve ku trenda ti screenshot un'wana wa screenshot xikulu na ye kwala Davida.
Screenshot
Kuna timhaka ta kuve Metro Davida
screenshot.
ni vula ku i un'wana wa ti screenshot kule ni ta lava ku xi hlaya
and
screenshot
uranda ku tsala ku minga screenshot
screenshot
Se David we tshama eri ka Facebook kahle. Emailini ku n'wana a hupi. Eta kota ku screenshot.
timhaka ti hlayeka hi ndlela leyi erivaleni ra vuhaxi ra Shongani Gang ku nga mina Miss Bangwani
Erivaleni ra vahaxi ra award winning podcast ra Shongani Gang.
wow clap hands for yourself
DC it
Apparently
we have been notified wena hlaya xilungu mina ni ta toloka hi Xitsonga
na mi xilungano xi kota swona. Apparently we've been notified that Metro Beats RSA's bookings have been hindered by someone who previously worked with him. Some promoters and event organizers have allegedly been given exaggerated booking fees. Exaggerated booking fees for personal gain, while others have been informed that the artist is unavailable. We pray and hope that they heal and move on from whatever made them want to wanna destroy the kid's career. xilungu lexi Prince of Gaza xilunghisi. We have already released a statement notifying the public that booking details have changed. If anyone would like to book Metro Big, kindly contact the page directly or call the number provided in this social media bio, which the manager is Ngevuli Vitu.
Yes, loko mi lava ku n'wi buka van'wani mi tivaku mi nga ni contact ne ta misa ka munhu wa right o ka a nga exaggerate ti-amount
Oh, a hi hleleni.
a hi hleleni
Leyi ne mina ni ta vula ku Metro ngifoneleni ku a ta vulavula timhaka
A ta hlamusela hi yexe.
ku kahle ku humelela yini ne mara vatswari na so mina hi ku ya hi mina ne I don't think loko ri ku a ni swi tivi ku swi humelele noro kanjhani
Yeah.
because I stand in the middle ground loko ri ku swi humelelini ne it's bad.
very
It's not good to play with someone's bread. Loko ri ku swi humelelini. It is not a good thing ku va kha swi tiva ku mina ni dya hi ku xavisa tintangu.
yeah
Ivi n'wina hi ku yi tirha swin'we mi ku tintangu ta khosa ta durha. Mara mi swi tiva ku hi charge ku fana.
Or ni vula ku tama India.
Mi ni byele ku vito rito leri a mi ndli kahle mi nga ri tirhisangiki or ni byele ku a ti humi kona la South Africa tintangu ta khosa. A hi original ma ni twisisa nyana.
yeah
Or mi ni byele ku a khosa yi pfale xiphaza mara xiphaza xa mi xi pfuriwile.
Eish.
Man kumanyana it's not good. Yes, business is business, but I don't think it's a good thing ku swi swo fana leswiwani swi kumeka swi ndliwa man twisisa nyana. Na loko ri ku management wa yena wa khale he is talking about them ku va fane va heal from whatever that happened. We don't know what happened. As I said, if we would have been here to come and clarify this statement that he made.
Quick question.
What is it that he's talking about? What is it that he's talking about and who is he referring to? Because logo previous management, we don't know how many managements you had.
Your question now we raise earlier.
We don't know how many managements you had. And now they're still in the dark because you might find out Pela and Metro Bits untive aka manage wa stapi.
loy
Metakumaku kunbe na management tin'wanyana previous man twisanyana mi kuma ku ka ha ri na contact vanhu va contacta the previous management before the management that we know or the other management that some other people know.
Impossible.
So it's very clean to say kuna munhu wa so na loko you are sure ku this information you have proof ya so you can come and say ile proof kuna vanhu va so va nga byela ku va contact munhu wa so and then these are the prices leti va nga ti inana man twisanyana anga vulavula hi tona to do he said she said it's not a good thing man twisanyana ku protecta wena na brand ya wena you have to be clean. Mina kuna point yin'wana nga vulu maxava ku mina loko zwa nitekela xikwanon'weni na mi deal with that thing loko zwa nitekela xikwanon'weni I'm not afraid ku ni nga ni ya vulavula hi wena ku wena wa swi tiva u nitekela xikwanon'weni and I have proof for it.
When is rephrase?
Yes.
Loko ni tekela xikwanon'weni ne nga ku dlaya.
Yeah.
Remember the conversation we had with him.
Yeah.
Ko nilava ku atala ata hlamusela.
Yeah.
I said to him, to protect your brand, you don't wait for
something to happen
for nkarhi wo leha ku ri swilo swi endleka
Yeah.
so that you can go back to people and say this is what happened. As soon as you see ku ri now ingaku kuna loyi a ni tekela xikwa nhlokweni, you go to public and clarify those things so that not the promoters and all whoever wants to book you can understand ku ri okay there's something that is happening in management ya khale of which we don't know ku management ya khale u vula yini. So it's over late.
Very late.
Over late na statement lexi a nga xi tsala over late ku xi tsala statement already. What he said, we lose 80% of his bookings.
Yeah.
And how much is 80% of
It's a lot. 80% means you got only 20% of it.
It's everything.
So ungese hlamula ne George ungese hlamula kateko.
yeah
Mina nta as a business analyst ne. Nta ku loko business roza ri lose mali ne ka n'hweti yaleyo. You go back and say guys what's going on? Ku humelele yini? Why are we not making money? Is it because of the economy? Is it there is a new competitor behind the corner? What's going on? So look, it was a busy month. Tinyiko, for an example, March. As a compare, because that's how we work as business strategists and business analysts.
Yeah.
Go from the previous year with this thing that we called a trend, compared to this year. Last year in March in the range, ninde 7 million. This year ninde 20 million. Doesn't make sense.
Spiking dive in now.
Spiking or
yeah. So look last year in March ninde 20 million. This year ninde 10 million. There's something is not right. Then you have to go back and investigate. And then if you find the findings, you address them there and there. In March logo aswone ko angakumang tigigi to twisiseka. Then you would have, if I understand nako kuna this thing. Afana I check okay. And then if you find the findings, you address them there and there. Guys, this is what happened, and I'm not doing this because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, Kateko, Tana Namak.
Davida, mingawa misubonile mus. I think na also na nasta pia uhlambeni ka you post ne. So eko akubulwangu which management? Why is he replying?
Oh, I think I saw a reply yesterday.
Yeah, cause kuna the post nyana to tala angele kuhlamleni. So uhlamlela yini?
Kuna comment.
Okay.
Okay, Stapia commenting on my post.
Yes.
Answering for himself. And not the post another today, not at all.
Yeah.
It seems like that reply the same thing. And I think yahlupa loko mkumaku ila kuyihlamula yena when vona vinyi va tona timhaka va nga se ti hlamula because loko ni ta va ni poste post liya it went viral vanhu va kha va commenta van'wanyani it seems like kuma ku vana nyimpi ya khale na Stapi. So va ka haya nga hemi ava hembi. Van'wanyana mi kuma ku ri vana issue na metro. Va ka hayi isukela Stapi things like that. Post liya ni hele ni isusa vele. Mara I think la nga kona it's not possible ku ri vana vona on the same table. Lungwana tsamala.
Banana.
Hey, no, it's something leswi nga riki possible. So na loko mkuma ku mhaka yi ta hluriwa ka podcast because mi nge nyiki munhu un'we opportunity yo tihlamulela ivi mi nga nyiki lowun'wana.
Hi laha na ku ta kona. Invitation between both of these things because me ani nga swi tivi ku na tihlamulo. Invitation to both of them. Loko ku ri tihlamulo to hlamulela ku I mean kuna management un'wanyana. Stapia, you are invited as well.
Kombela ku that invite ne mara yivanjani. Yiva isiku rin'we ne. Ku ri kota isiku rin'we even though mataku why I love ku kuma episode even one aya yingisela ava na talking points awu yako hi mhaku va te swona swi so.
Okay, so Stapia, you are invited. You know my brother. Umunhu langa na contact me. Metro Beats, you know my brother. You also have my contact. You also have everyone's contact, just like Stapia. So come through. Let's talk this thing out. If let's shwana social media, it's because kuna shwana social media, kuna shwana
Yeah.
So I think the proper way is to do a sit down and say, guys, this is what happened. This is what's happening, and this is where we stand, and this is way forward. So, I think both of you guys have to come and explain yourself. Not explain, but
tell your story. Tell your side of story.
Oh,
clarify.
Clarify.
Because at the end of the day, Metro Biz is an artist. He needs to eat. Stapia is a manager. He also needs to eat. So both of them, they need to come and explain.
Yeah.
Actually, what are we hearing? Because he said, she said. Na lokuruku I Stapia kuna manager loku vulwa kuyen. Now when you are more than welcome to come and explain.
He said, she
Because
said.
I said I used to manager he said, she said. He said.
He said
Because I need to see if I know never.
va nga ri ka light matwisisi loko vanhu va ri vambirhi va nga ri va nga ri na light vanhu lava vonaka ti-post ma swi tiva ku why swi na kuma ku mini artist ni la ku managiwa ivi ni ku a na ha yi ka Stapia because of what happened swi na ni ri an event organize ni ku a na ha lavi metro because wa durha so I think it's best for both ku mhaka leyi va yi clarify va nga tshamisa vana xinyamini even if I topic ya favorable they must do it
loko ku ri ku hi vona vana vambi because I know swi tiva ku manager
we don't know
lo ku vulavula ku
and we are inviting Stapia because Stapia replied
mara hi nga ze hi swi tumbela Mr David ya ku vulavula ku ri ku na nhlamulo
no hlamuli ngo lamula yena ka hlamuli directly
swin'wana ku ngo va ku la ku lehisa swilo ni but kuna manager yin'wana ya metro hi tivaka na
that was the question I wanted to ask loko a vulavula ro sungula
mina I know
David
before this
I know he had the
mana yena ta rambiwa
ala ku nikisana na ka
na yena fana rambiwa lo
not before yeah
what if I go to Papa Penny manager
I'm not Papa Penny man
no I'm just
so
saying
okay
guys, like
okay mara kuve na separation with that manager.
That's the thing. We don't know whether that
akuvangena any scandal.
Mara mina hi ku ya hi mina knowing that manager wait I manager that guy will never do anything to destroy an artist.
Pangata va ta hlamulela
guys the best thing ne
mina loko sweswi ku vulavula hi ku ho hleketa ku i mani loyi a vulwaka mina ni hleketa and a ni ri u swi endlini or anga swi endlanga ani mina ni nge vuli ku i proof leswiya cause the screenshot leti tin'wana ti-2 to seketela mhaka leyiwa a ku ri mhaka yo va lave ku n'wi buka a Venda and then va kume quote ya so yes and then the other one I think a ku ri event ya ti-students na yona leswi swi va n'wi suggesta groupini yes so naswona still a swi le ku vuleni ku i mani manager mara se hi ku swi so and Stapia u le ku hlamuleni mina ri yena a va ta vula va ta ti clarify kwalawa
va kombela lava
okay guys mita ti hlamulela yin'wexe platform yi kona
loko ya phanda
the award winning podcast
yam
kona mita hey guys okay ayeni mahlweni
ai kuna Samantha na Macatin ne
na karele Samantha
famba suka xitulwini tlakuka explainela xitori
okay hlamusela
so Samantha a jola na Macatin ne loko a rhandzana na Macatin va hambana Macatin a rhandzana xin'weta xin'wanyani xo pfa xi ti edita mavele na switshamo
so Samantha swa ni karalisa
even then a tlhela a rhandzana na xin'wana lexa xo rila ka live xi ku yo xi kha xi talelwa siku rin'wana xona se Samantha ivi a va tichomi ta ivi Felo or Mhana ani ive chomi ya Felo hi leswi a va yi na xona ka photoshoot ya birthday no I mean not photoshoot but a xi ri kona ka birthday celebration ya Samantha right mina ni tiva xona hi lexi a nga va chomi ya xona ne se Samantha a tshama kha chingela lexi xa switshamo ku why xi tshama xi kha xi ti edita switshamo na hi
u chingelela yini
xona switshamo ro
xi na swona switshamo mara ku na xa swi ngetelela
u chingelela yini RX
o lava ku twisisa ku why yena nhwanyana loyi a nikisanani se problem yi la Samantha o ve chomi ya lowun'wana wa ex ya Macatin un'wana loko va ti chomi swona so va blusha na siku na nhlekani va kombana ku wa n'wi vona ku one text wa n'wi vona kha ku u nga tlheleli munghana na mina ka tlheleli sweswo taniya Macatin vhiki lexi tlhelelaka Macatin Samantha xi tlhelela ka Macatin vhiki relation say go on relationship it's a mala Pitora Central
wait tsundzuka Macatin chala xibayi leyi Macatin wa
Kami na ulehin. Ay, leso ay son.
Let's ba?
Anga ringa national isha kali.
Bawan.
Guys, nibone video ya Macatin namuhla ne? Ya Seki. Seki. Ashteka Macatin na Samantha bakaba.
Bakaba aba umaphabli.
Sikhathi ku. Miyakuyi ku awuna room la wena.
Hayi so mba Macatin na Seki bathama ndawo yinwe, they are sharing a flat. If like an apartment.
One room.
One room. Kuna room ya Macatin, kuna room ya Seki.
Utibela kuyi.
Usitebela kuyi. No, mina ngate picture.
Usitebela kuyi.
Can you tell us that you used to be like one room? Okay, money for that. Money for that sauce.
Bana kishi.
Fridge gone.
Yes, you can.
Ustiva
Because I know.
Hey, it was Ustiva njani?
Nina Steve.
Njani?
Kahle bapostina niloko baba ku big boys purchases. Okay. No, okay. Ay problem. Sharp. No bula so yo. So say comfort ne. You gonna.
You're in two
guys,
bed.
so one. It's not one.
Sauce.
Yes, it's 2 bed and 1 kitchen.
Oh, it's 2 bedroom.
Check out the group gang.
Sona sise so kanganguna ethu debele lethintona ndingadendla yini
Mara so
na boy hlakabela ra wena la re kompa
ay vele ngale twanti ngwanyana ne ba ngitsikenyana.
Yes, so video liya shot chingela we know mara bana eti room to hambana. Ito room to men loko ba posta Facebook, you can tell kule I room ya next time cause kuna tlhela ku ba ka Sengi kuna picture yena na headboard ya to komba ku ya Sengi na ne
Inala ne 10 episodes da. Different setups. Uma Steve ku indawo yini.
Sabe bela ku every day loko kuta le room ya Sengi le ne ish and then
ana tami
Utitiva hinkwato.
ana tami Jimmy Sin ana tami 1 hour ana tami.
Okay. Iman loku labe ya Macatin na Macatin aka post room ya ye.
Macatin nipo.
Okay, it's all right, sharp. Because look we saw.
Okay, and then.
Ayen mazet.
No, I'm saying ku endle kahle ki Samantha uthlela ka Macatin.
Ay someone Samantha.
What do I mean?
Samantha.
Samantha sele. Ay guys. Sikota gaza bosha lesha. Ay man is good.
Sa amtolo yini lo.
Anda kufambisa ka program. Cause anisha cause gaza bosha. Man.
Ne. Oh, so Samantha.
Samantha is nice to get better guys, not Mhana to try like that, especially on social media.
And then Sele.
Sele ba hambani na na driver.
So she have a right to rambir.
Driver.
Ba
hambani.
Yes. It's fine. Mara Samantha.
Mara abi on wa ba.
I've never seen driver Jolo a posta vanhwanyani where Sele is there won't
yeah
na loko ri ku vena ku banana driver won't hlonipa Sele blind to extend that I'm not saying anga John mara ntsa manu va posta nhwanyani ku twisa mani ku va Sele so whatever Macatin is doing I need Macatin is wrong mara it's kind of like disrespect ka munhu o jola yena ka kwena loko kuma mina on go ditch kam sho fana lesho what I'm saying is Macatin is a player and again it doesn't lack respect nge mina chiri namuntlha la ku rhandzaku phela loko ri Samantha u vuyelele ndhaku it shows who she cares and one runs on this. So if we are in Dago, I'll feel like she would be a little bit stupid because Macatin I respect. I posted the no, I'm very young. I respect. Look at moon. Inga bana no nyan la granda shesh. If we post on in just a month. You are gone. It's wrong. You lack respect. Macatin angana respect. So I don't feel like Samantha did well by going back. Samantha deserves a man that respect her. Na loko kuri n'wanuna
watlhelela la very so much landa tinga bako na tlhewe la motho ba ga ima kona
mara swa end
ikona munhu anongurhandza recently
abasona
anira ngabi abasona
mara kwa pala kama khweta pala ka
mathina pala ka would disrespect me hambo ivuya njani ubuya timali ta njani na tsutsuma
so ka disrespect Nancy ya ku disrespect ina ma team
ne
yes
va fe hlonphani vavasati va n'wina mi nga va delelisi hi ti-side chick
eish ai en mahle
Mara truth mhleketo eish
ai ambondlomera
Hi,
Utisa kumani mano huma kwi. Ene na rivele.
You're not confirming. Ndavito rungwa utashita staka wena yes but
Ele mondomela.
Mara u confirm iso. U confirm iso.
Oh, me vula botela baba ka nkuzani.
emanga nguzani
Lo nguranda ngopfu.
iwo ka nguzani
No. If I certified crash out of Facebook ukhanye phela lembe rin'wana akha ku bafana yini mara loko ku ka nkuzani ho yini akha chingira akuloku yini loko swi bad akha ku posta bafana vanhu hamakhehela ani ata ku baka nkuzani avula so hi khanye phela ayabana akha ngopfu vavanuna va humaka nkuzani.
No, I know that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Ekhaya pala khaya success. Mina swin'wana ngwenya. Mina swin'wana ngana swona ne?
I dlorola ka vunangeni. Hey.
Akudoroliwa. So, kuna swin'wana lava ku swi hindisa ne? As a content creator. As a content manager / on behalf of Gavaza. Kuna swin'wana vanhu va nga swi twisisiku ne aka space xa Gaza. Matirhiselo ya media.
Yes.
Loko ni ku matirhiselo ya media ni vula leswi ne. We are an award-winning podcast. Sweswo hi nge swi cinci.
Clock it.
And then loko hi mi rhamba muku hina a hi ka podcast liya hi mhaka ku kuna kateko na nguzonda kateko.
Oh yes.
You're not doing us a favor. Let me clarify that one. Awu endleli favor. You are actually mere no example.
Ane based in by tombstone. I bury you alive. I make sure. Yes.
So awundleli hina favor. I think we started the podcast ingarina 0 subscriber.
Yes.
And kuva wena unga ta swi vula subscriber to gonyi. Tshama ti ri gonyeni 0 budget.
Yeah.
We are where we are today because of our subscribers, not when.
And the budget is no longer on 0.
A budget ayi le ka 0. Hina lawyer veta swi veka hina lawyer.
Shongani van'wanyana va titsona airtime.
So hi le na ta kona.
Yeah.
Guys, let me teach you something about as a graduate ya marketing promotion. Ndavuya ka the previous episode there kona ya n'wina hingwenya loko hi valala Black Chinese. Ivi Georgia ku Black Chinese album ya ayipi. We have invited the lady, I think, and I've personally inboxed there.
Yeah.
Account ya Shongani gang ngevulu ku yi ka 30 nga tala ta Shongani gang. She never replied. Oh, me say pieces. That album is fire. Jojo, I don't know what you heard. That album is fire. Man, this is
vanhu vo tala lava ni nga va twani va ku vona ve ri vona va engetela just because they va ngopfungopfu mina na Ray mo ni nga swi tumbeti sweswo mhaka ya history mi va confused guys swi endla loko mi ta ku shuteni mi nga hi voni hina mi kuma ku hi shoot hi 10 ho shoot hi 3 nge hlangana no hlangana and hambo ho hlangana u nge vi u tshami na Ray na ngateko lani loko ku ri ke ni etela ngopfungopfu ka ti-artist loko ku ri ke ni wena u tela swa vunanga i to ti kumela Jiroka akani Jojo na loko Master David va ri available mi ta ti hlelela mhaka n'wina ya music lawa so please the artist is Susani Mdaka ahlokweni Susani Gazabosha sorry Susani Gazabosha anhlokweni ya n'wina Gazabosha nga ngheni ndhawu ka swa music 999 wa u tiva music mara ni le ndhaka xipikara o va nga ri kona munhu yaloye so swi le ka wena ku ri wa ta kumbe wa tshama a hi ku xaveleli hina lavi ku bukiwa
it's a crash out but the crash out yo valid yo we decided to take our time we know you don't owe us that explanation we decided to take our time equipment investing in these things and then hi ku hi la ku kurisa rixaka hi ku hi na rixaka ra hina we va ri yini rito lera ra marginalized when marginalized group ne and then when you continue to put the marginalization i rito ra nyuwan food kwalaya ka ku mati separate mantwisa nyana if you check guys mina I like researching a lot of things kuna ti group tin'wana to tala ngopfu leti ti hlanganaka swa mapela check the vendor guys those boys are not playing they're cooking va hi ku va khomanini va hisa lava hi ku hlangana check ene van'wani ma tlhe mi ya kwele futhi komba ku
van'wani va van'wani va
nga twisisa ku va hisa lava va khomanini
makompo a ni swi twisi ku ni ta va tlilasi
va vona likompo na vona
mapedi navo va khomanini vanhu vaya
n'wina hina podcast ya matimba I'm not even
and award winning I mean like
that ni kombi podcast ya Xitsonga leyi nga ta yi phikizanisa na hina yi tisi la
ku sukusela ka quality ya ti-mic
u ni byela ku va na loko u compare ni nga ni compare hi ku yini quality ni bye ku va na segment ngani xo sungula staff member xa we xi fika kwihi xa vumbirhi xa vunharhu lexi kulukumba xa kona mina award na
iko ya mhayi baba yo podcast la kamareni
i podcast
sweswiya mhayi baba na so guys here's a platform use it to your own advantage we
podcast yo kumala na vulavisisi wo tsakisa ku ta fefenela mike
chicken mhayi baba so here's a podcast guys
podcast black and white
loko a pfuka na punda na malanga wo vhela teka camera fefena
guys here's a podcast you present your own advantage
podcast yo pfumala na branding
free of charge
fambisa sweswi le ka history